A most often asked question is, when is the right time to invest in SIPs? Because mutual funds are subject to market risk. Is there really a most suitable or best time to invest in SIP? When to start your SIP? We have financial expert Mr. Hariharan with us today. Mr. Hari, could you please explain when to start SIP?
There are two set of investors. Some people who attend the program, they get motivated, they start the SIP today itself. So that's the example of Mr. Ram. But there could be some people in this audience who might say that, okay, I have understood what it is all about, but let me not start today, I will start after some time. So that's Sham. Okay, so there could be somebody like Ram, there could be somebody by Sham. Now what happens with both of them is Ram and Sham, both of them attend such kind of programs. Both of them are 30 years old today. Ram is convinced, he starts investing today. So he starts at his age of 30, he's going to invest for his retirement at the age of 60, and he decides to invest 5,000 rupees every month. Sham has also attended today's session, but he says, I don't have the money now, I will not invest today, I will start after 40. So he waits for another 10 years, he starts at the age of 40, he also has to take retirement at 60 only, no choice. And he is also investing 5,000 rupees. So over the next 30 years, Ram is investing 18 lakhs, and assuming that this investment generates a 12% return, Ram's 18 lakhs becomes almost 1.74 crores, almost 10 times. Sham has started late, so obviously his investment is also lower. He invests only 12 lakh rupees. What do you think will be the value that Sham has at the age of 60? So he's investing 12 lakhs. How much do you think he will accumulate at the age of 60? Take a guess and put in the chat. Okay, 1 crore, 80 lakhs, 90 lakhs, 50 to 60 lakhs, okay. 1.1 crore, okay. Great, very nice. So his corpus is only 49 lakhs. Okay, so somebody said 50 to 60, Sudarshan Sheshadri was pretty much close. Yeah. So this is what is the impact of, we call this as the cost of delay. Okay, what is this cost of delay? I said that one of the advantage of doing SIP is compounding. And compounding, the longer you stay invested, better is the compound. So in the case of Ram, he had 30 years for that money to compound. Sham had only 20 years to compound. So 18 lakhs became almost 10 times. In this case of Sham, 12 has become 49 only 4 times. That's the power of compounding. That's the power of starting today. The more you delay investments, lesser is the effect of compounding on your investment. And therefore, lesser will be the amount of money that you would accumulate. Now, let me ask a different question on the same situation. If Sham has to accumulate the same 1.74 crores at his retirement, but he has only 20 years, how much do you think he has to invest every month? Can you take a guess? Okay, I hope you got the question. I'm saying Sham also wants the same 1.74 which Ram has got, but he has only 20 years to accumulate. He is doing 5,000 SIP, that is of no use. So what do you think he has to do every month to reach that 1.74 crores? So the right answer is approximately 18,000. Now what it means is that if you start late, you will have to invest almost 3.5 times or 4 times of your current investment. So it is easier to start with what you have today rather than postpone and say, hey, I will invest only 50,000 every month. I have an ego issue. I don't like investing 2,000 rupees every month. I will invest 15,000 every month. But that even that 15,000 may not be sufficient later on. And therefore, the learning from this illustration is start. That's very important. And as your income increases, obviously, you can increase your SIPs also, and you will also get opportunities in the market to do those top-ups which smart investors do. If you have a shorter time frame of investment, you may not get enough opportunities to do that. spread the investment over long periods of time, and you will reap the benefits. So important to start today. That's very, very critical. Yes? Great.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment options or related to your financial goals, feel free to book a free appointment with our financial planner. The link to the free booking is given in the description below this video. Also, will you be interested to attend insightful investment webinars? Then feel free to register for our upcoming insightful enlightening investment webinar, and it is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also share it in your social circle. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now. Bye.